Swapnali, thank you very much for your time today. Very good speaking to you. Let's talk about the India market, the residential market. Can you give us an overview about how is the market at the moment?
Gustavo, thank you so much, first of all, for giving us this opportunity. We're really enjoying being a part of the GRI club, and we're happy to have you in India.
Thank you.
And of course, the multiple sessions that I've attended since the morning have been very interesting and added a lot of value talking about real estate. And to talk about residential real estate, actually, I'm very, very bullish on the Indian residential market. Residential market is really, really growing, be it the high-end residential market or the mid-segment. The entire residential market is generally doing very, very well. Especially the high-end market has picked up after the COVID. So if you see for the last 10 years, actually the residential market has been a little slow since 2012. But post-COVID, it's really kind of booming. And that's really, I think everybody is really bullish on the residential markets in India right now.
And inside of the resi market, I know you guys operate in co-living. Why you chose to be in co-living? Can you give us a bit of perspective on that?
Yes, absolutely. So, right now with the millennials, the Gen Z, the Gen Y, they're really the large growing population of India. If you see, we constitute between, say, about 20 to 40 years of age. That's our maximum population in India as of now. That's the workforce. And this population actually believes more in the rental markets. They don't really believe in owning a property. And that's where we kind of started to come up with this kind of an idea where we wanted to move away from, not move away, but add a new vertical, which does, kind of co-living spaces where we offer apartments on rent. It's more shared living, right? And they believe in shared economy. Like you see all your Olas and Ubers and, all of that growing. So we're really bullish on the co-living market going forward. If you see right now, the co-living market in India is, the demand is at about 5.7 million. It's set to go to about 1 trillion. And and right now co-living market is only able to supply 8.3% of what is the requirement. So there's a huge gap there. And as we see it, the co-living market looks like a 93 billion market as on date, year on year. So that's a huge market that one can capture. And we thought that that's a really good kind of vertical to go into,
Very interesting. And how big is your appetite to keep growing, to invest in this sector? How big you want to be in the next 3-4 years?
So, we started in 2020, Gustavo. And right now we're growing organically. So we're now at about 2,000 beds. By next year, we'll be 3,500 beds. But now we want to take a leap. So in the next 3-4 years, we definitely want to go to about 7,000. In about five years, we'd be about 10,000 beds for sure. So we really want to expand. And if we can expand sooner, we will be looking at that. Yes, because we are looking at actually raising capital, and that would help us actually grow much quicker as well. So like I said, even we're also into student housing.
Mm-hmm.
So right now, student housing seems like there will be investment in student accommodation to the tune of 700 million as of now. So that's a really good positioning already for us to kind of be into. So what we do in student housing is also that we tie up with universities. So we have a tie-up with the new age universities like your MESA or ISH, which is the best hospitality kind of a university in India, or even Symbiosis. In fact, with we have tie-ups with corporates like Poonawalla, FinCorp. So, we kind of have these kind of tie-ups which really help us have our large customer base.
When it comes to capital, do you see from the conversations you have been having, I know you guys were in Europe last month, very active here in India as well. Do you think that the capital will come from local money or international capital?
So as of now, we're targeting only domestic capital. We know that there are a whole lot of HNIs, family offices, AIF, who really who are bullish on the Indian real estate
And you have the track
market.
record already that can show the results that we're having.
Absolutely, absolutely. And both Abhishek and I come actually from the real estate market, because I've myself been into luxury residential real estate segment, where we've constructed large apartments, luxury apartments. So we understand luxury. So even when we talk about co-living, we're really doing the very niche co-living, luxury co-living. We're not really targeting the masses. We're really targeting the classes. In fact, we're coming up with a really interesting product, which is right off BKC. So it's literally in the heart of the city.
Wow.
So you can actually walk to work. You can reach work in 5 minutes. In Mumbai, it's unheard of. It's a luxury at another level. So that's where we're really looking forward to that. Yeah.
My final question is maybe something you already answered, but I want to make sure that I ask this question, because there's a few operations of co-living, student housing out there at the moment. What makes the Covie different from your competitors?
So we, multiple things actually. When one talks about co-living, one actually, there are multiple, how do I say, benefits of co-living. The prices are more affordable. B, there's a community that one kind of is a part of. And C, the lease terms are quite flexible. So I think these are the key areas that we want to work on. And given the real estate background, if you see any of our properties, we have like a trademark, infrastructure that we build on, because that's really the key. That really differentiates us from any of our competitors. Very classy, very chic, very luxury kind of interiors. And also service and community is our differentiating factor. We really want to focus on building the community.
Right.
And so also the parent company is into hospitality. So we understand that part as well, the hospitality bit. So therefore, we're really focusing on how to bring the operations, the service angle in a very, very polished manner. So that will be our really differentiating factor.
If the person that's watching us would like to see more, what's the website? How can find more information?
So you can find us on thecovie.com, and we're available there. And of course, thank you for introducing us on this beautiful platform at GRI Club. And we'd love to interact more with you and also anybody else who'd like to. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.